Unlock the secrets of chess mastery and elevate your game. What's up, chess fanatics? How to and more here, and today, we're diving into expert strategies that can transform your chess skills. Forget those cheap tricks and quick fixes. We're going deep, exploring the minds of grandmasters and uncovering the secrets to chess mastery. Get ready to up your game, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to dominate the board. Alright, let's start with the foundation, the chess mindset. It's more than just moving pieces, it's about understanding the very soul of the game. You need to be thinking 5, 10, 15 moves ahead, anticipating your opponent's every thought. It's about staying calm under pressure, learning from your mistakes, and coming back stronger. Even the best players have been crushed, but they bounce back and learn from every mistake. Train your mind to stay sharp, even in the tensest situations. Outthink, outmaneuver, and outplay your opponent. Embrace the mental challenge that is chess. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the fundamentals. You can't expect to win games without a solid understanding of the basics. It's like building a house. You need a strong foundation before you can even think about the roof. First up, your opening repertoire. Don't just memorize lines blindly. Understand the ideas behind them, the pawn structures they create, and the plans they aim to achieve. Experiment with different openings, find ones that suit your style, and learn them inside and out. Next, tactics and combinations. These are the bread and butter of chess, the sequences of moves that can win you material or even the entire game. Train your tactical vision, solve puzzles, and practice spotting those critical moments where you can strike. But chess isn't just about brute force, it's also about positional understanding. This is about controlling key squares, developing your pieces harmoniously, and slowly squeezing your opponent. Think of it like a boa constrictor, gradually tightening its grip until there's no escape. Now I know this might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. A strong grasp of the fundamentals will serve you well in every single game you play. It's like learning the alphabet before you can write a novel. Essential building blocks for chess mastery. Remember, even the most complex maneuvers often stem from basic principles. By mastering these fundamentals, you'll develop a deep understanding of the game's inner workings. You'll start to see patterns, anticipate threats, and make moves that are both sound and effective. So don't underestimate the power of a solid foundation. Embrace the fundamentals, put in the work, and watch your chess skills soar to new heights. Chapter 3. Advanced Strategies. Alright, once you've got a handle on the fundamentals, it's time to step up our game with some advanced strategies. These are the tactics and concepts that separate the good from the great, the amateurs from the masters. We're talking endgames, pawn structures, advanced tactical motifs, and the psychological game. First up, endgames. Often overlooked, but trust me, mastering endgames can be a game changer. You need to know how to convert those small advantages, how to navigate complex pawn structures, and how to squeeze out wins even when the board is nearly empty. Speaking of pawn structures, understanding these is crucial for positional play. Think of pawns as the building blocks of your position. Learn the strengths and weaknesses of different structures, how to create pawn chains, and how to exploit your opponent's pawn weaknesses. Now let's talk about advanced tactical motifs. We're talking pins, skewers, forks, sacrifices, the kind of moves that make your opponent scratch their head in disbelief. Train your tactical vision to spot these patterns and learn how to unleash them at the right moment. But chess isn't just about calculating variations, it's also about understanding your opponent. Leveraging psychological advantage can be just as powerful as any tactical combination. Learn to read your opponent's body language, anticipate their moves, and use their emotions against them. Remember, these advanced strategies are all about building upon that strong foundation we talked about earlier. They're the tools you'll need to outmaneuver, outwit, and ultimately, outplay your opponents. So, embrace these advanced concepts, practice them diligently, and watch as your chess game transforms from good to great. Chapter 4. Analyzing Master Games. Alright, now let's step into the shoes of the greats. Analyzing master games. This is where we learn from the very best, dissecting their games move by move to understand the thought process behind each decision. Think of it like studying game film. We're not just watching the highlights, we're breaking down the plays, analyzing the strategies, and learning from both the successes and the failures. And who better to learn from than the legends of the game? We'll dive deep into iconic matches, exploring the minds of players like Fischer, Kasparov, Carlsen, and more. We'll uncover the hidden nuances, the subtle positional maneuvers, and the brilliant tactical combinations that have made these games timeless classics. But this isn't just about passive observation. As we analyze these games, I want you to actively participate. Ask yourself questions. Why did the player choose this move? What were the alternatives? How did this decision impact the course of the game? This active engagement is crucial for developing your own chess intuition. By putting yourself in the shoes of these masters, by trying to understand their thought process, you'll start to develop your own strategic vision. Remember, chess is a game of patterns, and by studying master games, you'll start to recognize these patterns in your own games. You'll see opportunities you might have missed before, and you'll develop a deeper understanding of the game's strategic complexities. So, grab your chessboard, open up a database of master games, and prepare to embark on a journey of chess discovery. Chapter 5. Putting it all together. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, from the importance of mindset to the intricacies of advanced strategies. Now let's talk about putting all of this knowledge into practice. Crafting a personalized training plan that will take your chess game to the next level. First and foremost, consistency is key. Just like any skill, chess mastery requires consistent effort. Set aside dedicated time for chess, whether it's 30 minutes a day or a few hours each week. The key is to make it a habit, a non-negotiable part of your routine. Next, utilize chess resources effectively. There are countless books, websites, and apps available to help you improve. Choose resources that align with your learning style and focus on areas where you need the most improvement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different training methods. Some players thrive on solving tactical puzzles, while others prefer analyzing master games. Find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to adjust your training plan as needed. Remember, chess is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn, a new challenge to overcome, a new level of mastery to achieve. Embrace this journey, enjoy the process of growth, and celebrate your progress along the way. Most importantly, never stop learning. The beauty of chess lies in its endless depth and complexity. No matter how good you become, there will always be more to discover, more to explore, and more to master. So, go out there, put your newfound knowledge into practice, and never stop pushing the boundaries of your chess abilities. So there you have it, guys. By mastering these strategies, you can unlock the secrets of chess mastery and take your game to new heights. Remember, it's not just about memorizing moves, it's about understanding the why behind them. It's about developing that strategic vision, that mental resilience, and that unwavering focus that separates the good from the great. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more chess tips and strategies. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Now get out there, crush those games, and show the world what you're made of. Until next time, keep those brains sharp and those pawns moving.